Well, package secure.
Just different.
Yo, what it do? It's your boy Hunter Boy Diggy, and we're back with another video. So as y'all know, the last video I got the new clutch line, but obviously I couldn't put it in, and obviously I was getting a little frustrated, and I dropped one of the washers like a dumbass. But bought new washers at work today. I didn't think these would fit, but judging from already from lining this one up, hold on, this one with this one, they look kind of the same size. This one just looks a little bit thicker, but oh, that's a perfect fit. Yep, it's just these are thinner, these are a little bit thicker, so maybe I should just run these. I'm not sure. Obviously I'm gonna take one out. See, I also bought these as well. Co-worker was just like, yo, he's like, take these if anything too. He's like, you don't know. He's like, whatever you don't use, bring it back. So I'm gonna take these. I'm pretty sure these are good. They're Dorman. If you ever need them, Dorman, I'll go to your local AutoZone, O'Reilly's, whatever. It's gonna be part number 66272, and they're gonna be for Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury, but you definitely could use one of these. So, and look, and they're a little bit thicker, so they might actually fit with the line of that. So that's cool, that's nice, I like that. So let's actually rip these out, and yeah. All right, so I would like to believe that is actually on. I'm just turning it on right now. It seems like it's going down, so I'm not sure if it actually is on, but it seems like it's starting down. So this whole time I've had it a few times in this position that it feels like it's stuck in, but I was trying to wiggle it in from the top and not letting this washer sit and crush down, but it feels like it's actually working and that it's actually in. So I'm going to attempt to bleed it. How it's running again, it is running from the slave. It goes under the brake booster, around, and then it comes around. It's on the coolant hose, which I'm trying to avoid. Then it goes down over into the clutch slip. So it's running good. And also, I don't know, I'm just see if this works. I'm gonna try to attempt to bleed it myself, and if I could start feeling pressure, that'd actually be amazing. But this is just gonna be a quick little video, pretty much a part 2 to the install. I'm glad that those washers actually worked. They were looking like they would fit, but then obviously I was trying to go for the exact same size, not just the same exact hole, and the hole looked a little bit smaller. It was just because obviously, as you've seen, the top one and the bottom one, they're not the same thickness. The other washer, the washer that the kit came with, was a little bit like a hair thinner than these, so I just didn't want to pick up that washer and it didn't fit or it didn't go. But as it's looking like it's going in. It looks like it's doing well, so that means hopefully that Lexi has a clutch again, she has pressure, and if she has pressure, good. And then I will try to actually just put these back on. Obviously not tighten them good enough, but yeah, let's see if this actually works. Well, it's officially on. It's officially tight. That means it has officially clutch line back in. Thank God. It still has nothing though. Still goes down to the floor, but is it spraying? It's definitely not spraying. but definitely just gotta, you know, I'm pretty sure I gotta bleed it. Obviously I gotta bleed it, but let's see if it actually starts working. I almost forgot. I'm gonna add some of the brake fluid in. I know this is just temp. I'm gonna add some brake fluid in. Ooh, that's kind of, yeah. Oof. Let's try. So, after pumping the clutch line, I don't know if one of the ends is tight enough. I know this end is really tight. It's on. It's working perfectly. As you can see fluid all over the O2 sensor, and well, the O2 sensor clip connection. And you could see that there is clutch fluid mixed with .3 brake fluid, but you can see that it's on and that is actually spitting out the fluid. But I tried to turn my car on, well, not turn it on, but turn it on and see if my friends would run, because I was doing a joke with my girl, but the battery might be dead. I might have killed it, or the cold has killed it, but it does not want to turn on. It just turns on my LEDs, and when you turn it, you hear, like, I don't know if it's my starter. It doesn't sound like starter click. It sounds like something else to, like, the right side. You just hear click, 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 click. I'm like, because I know last time my starter click was pretty freaking bad. Like, it was just like, grrr. So yeah, so tomorrow I'm going to try to tomorrow, you know what, I might just take out my battery now, take out my battery, bring it to work, obviously charge it, and if it works, it works. If not, it'll be under my number, because if y'all don't know, if y'all go to AutoZone, get the Duralast Golds, because their warranties last longer. Their warranties are 3 years. Normal Duralast are 2 years. So if you're gonna go for a battery and you want something cheap, well, it's gonna be like 180 something. But I say go for a Duralast Platinum, which is gonna be like 2 something, or Duralast Golds, because the warranty is just an extra year. And why not? Like, you can go settle for the Duralast, that's 2 years, or a Valleycraft, that's a year. But I'd rather go with the gold. It's just more cranking amps. It's gonna hit better. So I'm gonna take off this battery in a little bit, but I just want to let y'all know that the clutch line is officially on. Did it myself. I'm proud of myself. Couldn't thank Joe though. Have to thank Joe. Joe, if you ever watch this, my boy, you know what I'm saying, you my dog for that. He told me what to do. He told me how to put the washer, feed, all that. So I'm just gonna end the video now. It's a quick little simple video, but I just want to thank y'all again for the support. Thank y'all for everything. Don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe, and little by little, she's making a comeback. Hopefully I get my license by December and you're out for the season. But like I said, it's your boy Underboy Doogie. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that. I love y'all. Thank y'all for the people that actually sit and stay and watch my videos. And I'm out. Peace.